Cleaning company owners, welcome back. It's Rick from Clean Launch, and what we're going to talk about today is the 5 reasons why office cleaning is a lot better than house cleaning. So for those of you that don't know the difference between office cleaning and house cleaning, office cleaning is when we clean for businesses such as gyms, movie theaters, warehouses, offices, dental clinics, alright? And residential cleaning is house cleaning, alright? Cleaning individual units for people, alright? So when we clean for people, that's residential cleaning. When we're cleaning their house, their basement, their apartment. And commercial cleaning, that's with other businesses. That's cleaning their offices, their warehouses, their clinics, their facilities. So before we get started, make sure you guys join my free Facebook group below where you can connect with fellow cleaning company owners, and there's also free training there as well. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to be notified for future videos. So the first reason why office cleaning is a lot better than house cleaning, number 1, you make a lot more revenue with less numbers. Because we spoke with a residential cleaner and they had 100 houses and they were not even making $10,000 per month, when one of my biggest contracts was over $10,000 per month. And we simply have to do the math. Because if you're doing house cleaning and you're only charging $150, $200, you're gonna have to clean a lot more clients to make $10,000 versus having one commercial cleaning client that pays $10,000. And not all commercial cleaning contracts are gonna be that big. They range anywhere between $400 to $15,000 per month. If there's a commercial cleaning contract and the client requires 3 hours of cleaning 5 days a week, that right there is at least 2.5 per month recurring, all right? And that is the second reason why commercial cleaning is a lot better. It's recurring revenue. Once we close a commercial cleaning contract, they need cleaning every single month. So once we close it, the clients, they don't like switching cleaning providers on and off. So it's a more stable revenue source. Because when it comes to house cleaning, a lot of clients, they always switch back and forth with different cleaning companies. But when it comes to commercial, clients build a long-term relationship and they don't like making a change unless they're unhappy with your services. So instead of having to get new clients every single month and keeping some of them, when it comes to commercial, once you close a client, it's ongoing. Alright, so over time, you build a portfolio of different commercial cleaning contracts, because if you closed at least one commercial cleaning contract per month and you kept every single client very happy. So imagine 3 years go by and you have over 30 clients paying you every single month. And we both know that commercial cleaning, they're $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $7,000 contracts per month. And you systemize it and you put an amazing cleaner in place who's grateful, you pay them well, and you answer your client emails, you do your inspections, you change the cleaner when it's necessary, and you simply collect 35 to 40% profit every single month. And that's with subcontractors. If you have hourly workers, you can have a lot higher profits because they cost less per hour. But when you have hourly workers, you have to have more supervisors and managers to manage them, because hourly workers require more management, right? So that comes to reason number 3, why you should focus on office cleaning instead of house cleaning, is that you're gonna keep a lot more cleaners long term. Because when it comes to commercial cleaning, it's very consistent. And when it's very consistent, our cleaners build a routine, and over time, they can do the same job for a little less time. And if they keep the place clean, they're gonna be cleaning a clean place versus residential cleaning. A lot of times, you don't know what you're walking into. It's a lot heavier duty. There's gonna be clients who are very picky, and it's simply a lot more work, and they don't value it as much as commercial. So that comes to reason number 4. You do less work and you get paid more, okay? Because we both know that you don't know what you're walking into when it comes to residential clients, and it's usually a lot more dirtier. But when it comes to commercial, if you keep the place clean, it's gonna maintain clean. So let's say you quoted the client 4 hours a visit and a month goes by and it's only taking you 3 hours per visit, but the client is still getting the same high quality services. So you're getting paid more for less work, increasing your profit percentages. And when we're playing with 20 commercial contracts to make 30,000, it's a lot easier to systemize because we're only dealing with 20 different clients versus having 100, 200 clients to make 30,000, which is gonna be a lot more hectic because we're dealing with a lot more people. There's a lot more cleaners with a lot more locations. So that leaves us with reason number 5 why office cleaning is a lot better, is that clients are a lot happier when it comes to commercial cleaning because it's the same routine over and over again, so they know exactly what they're getting. But a lot of times with residential cleaning clients, we have to deal with a lot of people that are not the happiest with the cleaning. No matter how perfectly clean, they're never gonna be happy. So let me ask you this question. Do you think you're gonna make a lot more money a lot faster by focusing on the big fish instead of, focusing on the small fish? Right? Yes, you're gonna grow a lot faster when you're closing big commercial cleaning contracts that pay every single month versus doing jobs here and there. And you can still be profitable doing residential cleaning. We have clients that are currently doing 10, 20K per month doing residential cleaning and they want to get into commercial cleaning. And I currently recommend not to make a full switch, to systemize their current residential clients so they can use their time to focus on commercial cleaning clients. Because if you have a house and you're doing it every other week and you're charging $350 a month, and if you have 13 clients, that's almost $4,000 per month, which pays the bills. But long term, you guys need to focus on the big fish, ongoing commercial contracts. So if you don't know how to get started, if you don't have a website, winning proposal, or any knowledge on how to price, what to do in the walkthrough and stand out from the competition, how to get commercial cleaning contracts, what is the walkthrough process, how to find reliable cleaners and actually make a profit with your commercial cleaning business. So why do everything yourself when our services can launch your cleaning business in under a week, having your professional establishment set up, all done for you, and then you join my program so you can learn everything in the business model, and then we coach you one-on-one and guide you through the process. Because let me ask you this question: what would happen if you parachuted without prior training? Alright, and same goes for business. Alright, imagine driving for the first time without an instructor. You're gonna crash. You're only gonna learn by trial and error, and you don't know what the next step will be, right? You don't know how to approach clients or anything like that. And imagine doing everything now with the coach, guiding you through the process. And when you have the opportunity to work with someone who already has a 7-figure commercial cleaning business, that's the easiest way to success, is to not reinvent the wheel by yourself, but to reinvent the wheel and work with someone who already has a successful business. So if that's you, schedule a call and go to our website, cleanlaunch.com, so you guys can book a call and start working together. Talk soon.